it up with white cheese and regular cheddar cheese.
Tillamook road trip. When we got there, the smell around the factory was quite pungent from the cows. We did a free self-guided tour of the Tillamook Creamery. If you want to have a premium experience with a tour and tasting, reservations can be made on the website. I visited Tillamook Cheese Factory. We got tastings of cheese, curds, mozzarella, sharp white cheddar, and medium cheddar.
Like one of those is like separated, maybe one of those is like too hard or something. Where it's like, it just comes out of that little box. Comes out of those holes, those pipes. This lady, she has to separate all the cheese.
The people in Tillamook were really friendly too.
The vacuum seems see all those little slices?
Yeah.
What do they do with that? They just put the little slices away. Everything's there. It does the same.
She has a cutter over there that.
Yeah, I think so. Yeah, they have a cutter. They have a sun cutter. And it's just white cheddar. Those can probably go in the shredder. It's shipped.
It's travel time with Mr. Gabriel Conrad.